What's up everybody? So today we got an all-in-one profits review. All-in-one profits is it's a pro autoresponder web hosting, advertising, all marketing, web tools, list building, and cash. Your complete marketing platform. Earn while building any business. So as you can see, we get these links, right? It goes over the product. Do the money, marketing tools, advertising. We have the basic level is $11.50. The pro level is I think it's about $20. So what exactly you get? Well, with the basic level, you get the premium hosting, the AIOP responder, a splash and squeeze page maker, a downline builder. You get 10 links. You get one URL rotator. Text advertising unlimited credits 1, banner advertising unlimited credits 1. You earn $10 monthly commissions on everybody who gets started with the basic level, and $15 commissions on the pro level for anyone who gets started on the pro level. Now, how the compensation plan works is real simple. We're gonna go over to All App, so we could draw this out real quick. So we'll be getting more into this product later, but let's say you get started. Here's you, or here's me, for example. So I bring in one referral to the all-in-one profits product. I earn $10 per month. I bring in a second person. My sponsor earns $10 per month. And then this repeats. This is A, B. This is the compensation plan. It just it simply repeats endlessly. Now, why you want to do this is because let's refresh this again. Let's play a little bit of imagination. You know, here's you. You already have 2 business partners. This is your A. This is your B. When A gets into business and wants to start promoting, every time person A refers one sale or one business partner, they earn $10. When they refer the second sale or second business partner, you earn $10. Every B, right? Every B passes to you. Now, when that happens, right, person B also follows the same structure, and person B passes you all their second sales as well. The sale B, creating you $10 a month multiplied by B. How many people are passed up to you, or how many people are personally referred A members? Right, so you got your work, then you got 10 times B. Everyone in B passes you up every other sale. That's the compensation plan. I'll have more details on that below. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. If you want more information on this business opportunity, there will be a website link you can come over to, and I'll break down everything even more. My name is Dre Hall. I'll see you guys on the next video.